short encouragement for somebody out there. I hope this is going to help you. I hope this is going to be an encouragement and a blessing to you. Never criticize someone when the Lord is busy lofting him, because you don't have no idea what their background is. Haha, can I get an amen? Let's learn to live the life of great humility. Never doubt yourself. Don't judge a person by their prior appearances, the situation, because the wheel can turn around. I don't know if you heard me again. The wheel can turn. But don't look down on anyone based on the present condition. I don't know what your condition is, but never look down on somebody, because that person can be an asset to your life. That person can help you where you need some help, because we are people and we are born for this time. We are born for this age, and we are born for a time such as this, because God knows what He's doing. I'm here to tell somebody, never in life criticize someone's background, because you don't know if you will need that person in the long run. So, be blessed.